Hello, welcome to 100 Affirmations for Attracting Abundance. Let's begin. I am open to receiving abundance. Abundance flows to me effortlessly. I live in a universe of unlimited possibilities. I expect good things to happen. My mindset attracts prosperity. I am aligned with abundance. Wealth is a natural part of my life. I welcome overflow. I am worthy of abundance. Abundance is my birthright. Money flows to me freely. I attract financial opportunities easily. I am a magnet for wealth. Money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. I have more than enough. I am financially supported. My income is constantly increasing. I attract money with ease. Wealth comes to me from multiple sources. I manage money wisely and confidently. Opportunities are always finding me. I am open to new streams of income. Success comes naturally to me. I attract beneficial connections. Everything I need comes at the right time. I recognize abundance all around me. I am ready for expansion. My efforts are richly rewarded. I attract success by being myself. I trust my path to abundance. I deserve a prosperous life. I am worthy of financial freedom. I release all beliefs that block abundance. I deserve to thrive. I honor my value. I allow myself to receive. I am enough to create wealth. I welcome abundance without guilt. I claim my success confidently. I am aligned with my highest good. Abundance comes to me with ease. I allow money to flow naturally. I trust the flow of life. I release resistance to abundance. I attract ease and prosperity. I am in harmony with wealth. Everything always works out in my favor. I allow abundance to unfold. I am open to miracles. Prosperity surrounds me. I am grateful for all I have. Gratitude multiplies my abundance. I celebrate my progress. I appreciate every form of wealth. Being thankful attracts more abundance into my life. I notice abundance everywhere. I welcome overflow with gratitude. I honor every blessing. I am thankful for financial growth. Gratitude keeps me abundant. I succeed in everything I do. I believe in my ability to create wealth. I take inspired actions. I am confident with money. I trust my decision. I attract success naturally. I am capable and resourceful. I turn ideas into income. I deserve success. I expect prosperity. Abundance supports my purpose. I attract wealth aligned with my values. My work is meaningful and profitable. I give and receive freely. I create positive impact and prosperity. Wealth allows me to help others. I attract abundance that feels good. My success benefits many. I am aligned with abundance energy. Prosperity follows my passion. Today, abundance flows to me. I am open to receiving today. I attract prosperity now. Today brings new opportunities. I welcome abundance into this moment. I choose abundance today. I expect positive outcome. I am attracting wealth now. Today is abundant. I receive with gratitude. Abundance is always available to me. I trust abundance is unfolding. I am supported financially. I live a prosperous life. I claim abundance now. I am open to receiving more. Wealth flows through me. I attract abundance effortlessly. I am abundant in all areas of my life. I am grateful for unlimited abundance. A little rhyme for you. I open my heart, I open my way. Abundance flows to me every day. With trust and gratitude, I now receive more than enough. So it is, I believe. I open my heart, I open my way. Abundance flows to me every day. With trust and gratitude, I now receive more than enough. So it is, I believe. I open my heart, I open my way. Abundance flows to me every day. With trust and gratitude, I now receive more than enough. So it is, I believe. Thank you. Bye bye.